Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, it's a bit different. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my late night cheesy steak fries. Guys, this was so good. You have to try it. You have to try this, guys. It was so good. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now let's kick. Okay guys, so I'm using these seasoned Cajun fries. You guys can go ahead and use whatever fries of your choice. I prefer to use this one because it has the added season on there. That's why I'm using this one, so I'm just adding that to my Pyrex dish. And guys, I already went ahead and I set my oven to 400 degrees. Now I'm going to be baking this for about 15 minutes until it reaches its desired crispiness. Now here it is out of the oven. Now guys, I'm gonna be adding my cheese. I wanted to use pepper jack, but I ran out, so I'm just using mozzarella. I'm also adding my bacon, bell pepper, and jalapeno. I'm also adding some green onions and my steak. Now guys, this this is just one of them late night snack, guys, that you'll never get tired of doing. Trust me, just so good. Now I'm gonna be packing some more of that cheese because it's loaded, honey. Like, you can't be cheesy fries without cheese. Like, come on. Now I'm just gonna be returning this to the oven for about 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese is melted. And here it is, guys. I went ahead and I topped that off with some ranch dressing, and oh my goodness, this was everything. This was so good. This was amazing, guys. So good. I thank you so much for stopping by. You guys have to try this recipe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. Turn on your post notification so you can get notified when I post new videos. And I love you guys so much for stopping by. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.